Oh guys, it's been raining since morning, maybe last night I would say. So I said let me go for a quick walk. It stopped raining, but it's just, because of the trees. You can still hear like the rain is coming down. I don't really actually feel it. I don't feel the rain coming down on me. So I'm not sure if I should say it's raining or not, but I don't think so. So I'm just going for a little walk. Going for a little walk down here. You hear that? I'm turning around. I don't want to go too far. Just in case it starts chucking down with rain, then I'm going to be soaked. Yeah, I don't feel like it's raining, honestly. Even though it sounds like. It's just so nice to just breathe in this fresh air, even though it's wet. I am really, really enjoying my walks. Let me walk down to that end. See, it's all trees. We're in the wooded area. That's where we are staying. It sounds more like it's raining when I walk down this way, but the other way it wasn't. It felt like it stopped raining. That can't be right. It's just too close to have rain on this side and the other side no rain. What's going on? See, I can walk all the way down. This road actually takes me to Main Street. That will take me to the city, in town. But I'm not walking all the way. See, now I can feel the hair. I can feel the water on my head. So I walk down here. I wonder if it's because of the trees are more close together or what it is. So I'm walking back again. And as soon as I get to that sign, I don't know if you can see it, it feels like it stopped raining. See? See, when I get to here. Oh, I think I know what's going on. Look up here. Compared to there, it's like I'm under the tree, right? So it's the drops of water dropping on me. Whereas here, it's like a clear space. That's why I think I got it. That's what's happening. That's why it doesn't feel like it's raining here. Anyway, that's all I have to share with you. Until next time, goodbye.